Hey guys, welcome back to my summer injury prevention video series. I'm Crystal Bartkowski, certified athletic therapist, and today we're going to be talking about cycling and knee pain. Knee pain can be really common in cycling, especially kind of at the front of the knee, right under your kneecap there. A lot of times that can be due to poor patellar or kneecap tracking, as well as underutilized glute muscles. So today I'm going to be giving you guys some exercises to help activate and strengthen those glute muscles. So what you're going to need is a band if you have one, and something to step up onto. You can use a step on your stairs or a stool just like this one. So cycling can put a lot of stress on your knee, especially if you can't quite sit into your hip. So the first exercise we're going to be going over is to kind of teach you guys and get the feeling of sitting into your hip. Because when you drive down on the pedals, you really want to be using your glute muscles rather than driving from your knees. So all you need is some space for this one. And this is called a hip slide. So you want to stand the feet apart. And what you're going to do is you're going to start on one side, send your hip back, and bend your knee. Good. So as I come here, I'm not coming with the weight on my knee. I'm sending it backwards, almost as if I'm going to sit on a chair behind me. Okay. Once we're in this position, we're going to stay as low as we can and slide over to the other side. Good. Same thing. You want to be feeling like you're reaching back to sit on a chair. Okay, so let's do 10 of these together. As we push off, you want to feel like you're pushing off with your glutes. So kind of on the side of your hip here and the back. Let's do 3 more. Good, last one. Awesome. So hip slides are a good exercise to do as an injury prevention technique right now, while we're waiting for all the snow and the gravel to melt and go away. But you can also do it as a warm-up before you get onto your bike so that you can really remember how it feels to sit into your hip rather than putting all that stress on your knee. So the next thing we're going to go over is called a glute bridge. So you're going to want to grab your band if you have one for this. If not, no worries. And what this is going to help us do is to really be able to activate and use our glute muscles rather than just our quad muscles. So if you have your band, you want to tie it. So it's just around the top, just above your knee. And make sure there's some tension on there. And then we're going to lie on our back with our knees bent. Good. So you want to have your knees, your feet just in line with your hip. And what we're going to do from here is we're going to squeeze our glutes, or squeeze your butt, drive your heels down into the ground, and lift your hips up. Good. As we do this motion, we also want to push out against that band. If we don't have a band, you can use your hands as something for your knees to push out against. We're trying to activate muscles out here with the band or your hands. Good. Hold at the top for a few seconds and then slowly come back down. As we come up, we want to make sure that our hips are level so that we're not, leaned off to one side or the other. So let's do 10 of these together. Don't forget to squeeze before you lift up.